So welcome to my channel, Let's Create Your Website. I am Abhishek and today we'll speak about redirecting URLs. If you already know about redirecting URLs, I congratulate you that you already taken a step to make your website Google friendly. If you don't know what is redirecting URL, I promise you in the end of this video you will understand everything about redirecting URL. I'll try to make this video compact and to the point so that you understand everything about redirecting in the most easy way. Before I move forward, I would like to tell you, in this channel I give a lot of important tips and tricks that how you can create your website, how you can add useful functionality on your website, and how you can make them faster and more secure. So if you want to upgrade your website game, I highly recommend you to subscribe to my channel right now. And if you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share with somebody who want to upgrade their website game. I made some slides in order to explain you that how you can set up redirects and why you need to set up redirects. So I'll share my screen with you and I promise you in the end of the video you will be redirect boss. No matter if you have technical knowledge or not, you can use this technique to stay Google friendly. So let's go into my screen and see how we can set up redirects. As you can see here, I defined when and why. So when you change your page or post URL, in that case you need to add redirect on your website so that Google know that your old page is changed to now new URL. Or in case you change your domain name, then also you need to set up redirects. And why? To notify search engine that we made this change and now you can go to the new URL. I'll make you this understand with a very easy example. So I'll show you a live example that really when you need to do this and why you need to do this. Okay, now I go to Google and I try to fetch all the pages on my website from my website which are listed on Google. So I'll give you a quick search for my website on Google and you can see there all the pages which are listed on Google from my website. And somehow the URL of any page got changed. For example, my contact page. If I click on this result, it will take me to the page whose URL is let's create a website /contact. And what if I change this URL? So I'll go back in my website backend and change this URL. So I change this URL to get in touch. And I update this. Now I'll go back to the Google search results. And now when I change my website URL, I click on the search result again. And you can see this page doesn't seems to exist. So Google is now confused that this page is already indexed on Google, but now Google cannot find this page. So in this case, your website is not looking very good to Google. So what we need to do is this. In this case, we need to set up redirects. So we have to tell Google that, okay, my URL which used to be contact now get in touch. So every request which is coming from contact, Google will come to this page. And Google will understand that you change your page or your post URL. And it is very normal thing to do because a lot of time we understand because of SEO you want to change your website URLs. Maybe sometime you change that CMS, you move from Wix to WordPress, WordPress to Wix, or from HTML website to WordPress website. There can be different reasons that why you change your URL. So now you understand when and why we need to do this. Now let's see how we can do this. I will tell you two methods. First method will be using STXS file, which will be applicable on any kind of website including WordPress. And second method will be using plugin only for WordPress website, because more than 30% of website they are powered by WordPress. So a lot of you are using WordPress, so I thought I should tell you this second method also. But first method also works very fine with any kind of website. So I'll show you both methods now. First method we'll see using STXS file. So first of all, you need to log in your website cPanel, or you can connect your website by FTP also. Then you need to go to File Manager. Now we'll go to public HTML directory, or if you are in HTML website, it can be any other directory where you have all your website files. Now we need to search for the file which is called .stxs. If you cannot see this file, you just go here, click on settings, and then you need to make sure that show hidden files is checked, and then save it. If you are not able to see this file before, now you can see this file. Then right click on this file and then click edit, and once more click edit. So this will be your STXS file. Depending on your website, you can have more code here or you can have nothing here. So just to make sure we don't mess anything else, we'll just go to the end of the file, whatever you code have in your file, and we need to paste this small code. So as you can see here, this is very simple. We are writing redirect. So we are telling search engine that we are defining a redirect here. And this redirect will be 301 redirect. There are different kind of redirects, but most of you will be using this one. And I don't want to make this video complicated. Maybe in another video I can cover all other kind of redirect also. And then you need to define your old page URL, and in the last part you need to define the new URL. So let me see in my case. This is my new URL. So I'll put it here, new URL. And you remember what was my old URL? My old URL was contact. So I'll take this old URL and now I'll set it here to old URL. Okay. So now we are done. And once you're done, you can click Save Changes. And you can add multiple redirects in your STXS file like this. You can set up redirect for any other page or post on your website. So this was the first method. It is applicable to any kind of website, including WordPress. Now we'll see the second method, how we can set up redirect on WordPress. So first of all, you need to log into WordPress dashboard, and then we are going to take help of a plugin. So to install this new plugin, we'll go to left sidebar, hover on plugins, and then click add new. Search for the plugin redirect, and then you can see here this is a redirect plugin. It has more than 1+ million active installation. It has very good rating. So I click on install now, and once it is installed, I click activate. Okay, the plugin is installed, and now we'll go to redirect setup page to activate the plugin. Okay, so there is some general information about it. They tell you how you can set up redirect, which I already explained you. So you'll go to start setup, and then basic setup. And it will ask you to monitor permalink changes in your WordPress posts and pages. If you change the permalink in a post or page, then redirection can be automatically create redirect for you. So in this case, it can create redirect for you automatically. If you want, you can choose this one, and I think it's a good option. So I'll check this on. For example, if I change my page URL from contact to get in touch, so it will automatically set up a redirect. You do not need to do anything. And then keep a log for all redirect and 404 errors. We can speak about this in another video, but for now we'll check this and then store app information, then continue setup. It will take some time, and then finish setup. I click finished. So from now, if you check that option which I told you in last step, you do not need to worry about redirects. Every time you change a page URL or post URL, it will set up redirect automatically. If you don't want to go that way, what we can do, we can create a new redirection, clicking on add new, and then you need to give the source URL. So in my case, the example where I show you, it was contact, and then target URL. The target URL in my case was get in touch. So this is all you need to do is, and then you can click on add redirect, and you can see the redirect is set up here. The code is 301. So it tell Google that we move this page to another URL. So this is how you set up redirect in WordPress the most easy way. I hope you liked the video. If you like the video, subscribe to my channel and share this video with somebody who want to upgrade their website game. Thank you so much. See you in another video.